Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Come Velima come. Full story. There was a little girl who had a little mongrel dog that she called Velima. Velima was very protective of the little girl and therefore followed her everywhere that she went. The little girl found it to be very annoying. Every time the little girl's mother sent her to shop, Velima followed her. She run poor Velima back, but Velima would still hide and follow her. In that same community, there was a witch who hated children. She plotted and captured many children for her rituals. She often saw the little girl but couldn't go near her. Because the witch feared dogs, so she watched and plotted from a distance.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
One evening, the little girl's mother sent her to shop. Velima was ready to follow the little girl, but that evening something was different. The little girl was more angry than usual. She took up a big stone and slapped Velima with it, breaking one of her legs. Velima hopped to the corner of the yard and licked her wounds. The little girl laughed and went to shop all alone. Little did she know, the witch was waiting on her. On her way, she had to walk through a lonely dirt pathway. That was when the witch approached her. Terrified, she called for Velima. Velima heard her cries, but was injured and couldn't move. The witch said, call Velima, cause if you no call Velima, you'll live it, and you'll light, then make dinner tonight. The little girl called for Velima, but nobody came to help her. The witch got her way, and that little girl was never seen again.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican true stories for more.